The vowels, as you would know, have short sounds and long sounds. Short and long. Now, some of the problems that you guys have is because you'll say, hey, I spoke those words, that's the word I know is correct, but that Australian didn't understand me. Oh, he doesn't understand me. Well, that's probably because you spoke the vowel incorrectly. The vowels incorrectly. And usually it's the short vowel, because that's the hardest ones. They are the hardest ones to get right. They are a pest. Very difficult. So we're going to work on them right now. First of them all, nearly. It has 5 sounds. 5 sounds. A, or, oh. Now, each time my mouth is nearly just round there. A, or, oh. And open air. It's only little movements in here and my mouth that change the sound. My tongue is down. A, or, oh. That's the A sound. The short sound, the long sound, A. Good. That's enough trouble for that. Now the next vowel sound is E, the letter E. E is its second sound. It's the long sound. The short sound is eh. Eh. Now to get that, you mean eh. Eh. Like an Italian. Eh, 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 eh. Eh. Okay, that's the short sound. Eh, egg. Eh, end. And then you've got the second sound, E. E. Like he and she. Right. So, E. So that's a good one. There's only 2 of them. So they're easy. So we got A, or, oh, and E. The next sound is I. Again, there's only 2 of them. The first one is I. It's like someone hits you in a I. Here. I. Underneath your diaphragm, underneath there, the top of your belly. I. Whack. I. I. Righto. I. So, in. In. Inside. Go inside. Inside the aeroplane. In. Inside the engine. Okay. Inside. In the cockpit. Alright. So, I is number 1. I is number 2. I, like me. I. It's the long sound. So it's I. So we got E, I. And now O. 4 sounds. 4. So we got number 1. On. Get on the thing. On. On. O, no, go, and then we have oo, to, do, to, do. And then the last one, number 4, it's a bit of a problem. It's like mother, brother. Okay, mum, mother, brother. Okay, so it's an So O, the vowel O, here we go, the vowel O. See that? Yep, we got it. The vowel O has 4 sounds. It has uh-oh, ooh, ah. Uh-oh, ooh, ah. Uh-oh, ooh, ah. Uh-oh, ooh, ah. So that's the vowel O. Now, the vowel U, it's got 3. It's got 3 sounds. So the vowel U, there it is there. Hold it up properly now. Here we go. There we go. Can you see that? The vowel U. The vowel U. The vowel U has 3 sounds. It has U, you, oh. So the short sound, the little one, ah, ah, up, up, upon. Get up the ladder. Get upon the seat. Up, ah. And then you, hey you, hey you. And it's you, like as in duty and cube and music. And then the last one is ooh, ooh, as in put the seat down. Put. So it's you, ooh. So we go back over them. And of course the letter Y here, Y has three sounds. Y has three sounds. Consonant sound, consonant Y is Y, vowel Y is E, and vowel Y is I. Y, E, I. So the vowel sounds are A, R, or O, and E, E, I, and O, U, and U, U, U. Now, the real problem is the short vowel sounds. The short ones, the little ones. So, we're going to do that again. Ready? The vowels for A. What can remember the short sound? The short for A. The short for E. The short for I. The short for O. The short for U. So it goes like this. Not much change in the mouth. One more time. Here we go. Got to get this one right. You ready? So there you go. There are the vowel sounds. The short sounds, the long sounds, and then there's the other or the more sounds. So you got no choice. You want to speak English so that others can understand you? So learn those short vowel sounds. Learn the short vowels.